Ensure your printer is connected to your computer via the included USB lead. Plug it into the print port here and the other end into your laptop. With your printer turned on, the LED on the front will illuminate. The printer should say online, but if for any reason the printer says offline, it may be because the printer software has not been launched. Ensure your printer is plugged into the computer using the USB cable and run BetterPrint. You'll now see that the printer is online. If for any reason the printer still displays as offline, turn the printer off using the silver button on the back and back on again with BetterPrint launched. You'll notice in BetterPrint, the green USB icon in the bottom left hand corner will illuminate.